Hello guys, today we're going to take pictures or video about the biggest leaves in the world. But today I'm going to show you the biggest leaves seedling. This is seedling. See, the size is very small, it's around 2 mm only, just 2 mm. This just 3 weeks time, so we wait for another I don't know, because I never count how fast it grow. Let's show you the matured one. This one is still very young, just 3 weeks. I still don't know. Here another one, you can see the biggest leaves in the world. Daun biru tuh, daun biru aneh ya. Still baby, 3 weeks. I don't know, maybe 2 weeks. I just assume because I didn't around here for 3 weeks. That's why I assume it's around 3 weeks. Laba ko 3 minggu, laba ko na rin nurang kita 3 minggu. 4 minggu. Size dia lebih kurang 4 mm lah. Ini 4 mm. Lima minggu, 5 weeks. Four mm, 4 mm, 5, 4 to 6 mm. The bigger 6 mm. 8 minggu, 8 week. Lebih kurang 10 mm, around 10 mm. Spear type like football. Eight week, 8 minggu. Lapan minggu. Ten weeks time. Ten weeks, 10 minggu sudah. Okay, within 10 weeks, the size is around 12 mm, 12 mm. Dalam 10 minggu lebih kurang 12 mm. Ini masih lagi membesar ya. This still ongoing. The size become bigger and bigger, but not very big. Around the seedling inside around 10 mm. This one still don't have matured seedling inside. Still very young. Masih 3 bulan ya. Biji dia dalam belum matang lagi. Bila dia matang, dia akan jadi warna merah. When it ripe, the outside here, the skin color will become red or orange in color. Red or orange. Still growing ya. 10 weeks time. Yang ini masih muda ya, masih muda. Dalam 8 mm, dalam 5 mm. Yang ini mungkin 4 minggu lah yang ini. Tetapi dia ada batang yang lain lah. Ini dalam 15 cm lebih kurang. Ini sudah hampir masak ya. Sudah hampir tua, hampir matang. This one almost matched, a bigger size. But I don't know how long this fruit take to this size. I don't know because I didn't see this one. I just found this one. Now. I don't know. Maybe this one around 3 months. I don't know. This one is smaller. I think this one around 1 month, 4 weeks only. The biggest lips in the world. Daun biru. Nah, mau ku tahu nak temu ku tahu. Gue kita tahu. Kalau aku nak ketemu kebunnya. Baru medak tadi. Finally, after 6 months, it's going to ripe. Udah mansau, udah masak, sudah masak. Size-nya lebih kurang 15 mm. Kita tengok jatuh. Saya tunjukkan. I'm show you. See? This one you should be as a seedling. Inilah biji dia. Yang ini boleh ditanam. You plant this one. It will grow around 6 months later. 6 bulan kemudian baru dia tumbuh ini. Okay. The biggest lips in the world. See?